Hi all, welcome back. So in my last video I discussed custom formula along with the conditional formatting. There I told you how to use conditional formatting to format the cells of the Google Sheets on the basis of the conditions. And this time I am going to tell you about, means the scenario is different but the function is the same, that is conditional formatting and custom formula along with the conditional formatting. In my last video I also discussed how to take the check boxes in the Google Sheets, and however this time I am going to apply the custom formula like my past video. So how to do this? First I'll tell you how to apply the conditions in my Google Sheet. Then I'll take this formula or condition to the conditional formatting using custom formula. So we'll move to my Google Sheet. So here, this is my Google Sheet, and over here if you see this column, B column is the name of the list, and these are the marks, and here this J column is the percentage, and over here I deliberately colored a cell in which I'll put the percentage. On the basis of the percentage I'll apply this percentage in my condition custom formula of conditional formatting, which enables us to highlight those names which qualify uh, the percentage given here. So what I'm going to do here, suppose I'm taking a percentage like 45, and what I want, I will have to apply the condition, means the percentage if greater than the percentage given in column K1. So how many students are there who uh, qualify the given condition? So how to do this? Let's apply this. First we'll find out which are the names of the students who are qualifying the given criteria. So to qualify the given criteria, I will have to apply the condition. So the condition is, say, equal, then cell number J2 if greater than equals to a K1. So the value of J2 if greater than equals to the value of K1. So if this condition is satisfied, then it gives true. So see here, correct? So if I want to copy this formula in rest of the cells in the particular K column, then I have to either I drag down this formula, or I copy this formula from here and paste it in the rest of the cells. But what happens, there's a flaw. When I copy this formula from this cell to this cell, the cell addresses are changed. Why? Because these addresses are reference cell addresses. Because if I drag down a bit, it becomes false. Why? Because this is 45 and still this is 47.3, which is greater than, means this satisfies the condition of this. And if you click on this, it will give you J3 is greater than K2, but my condition was the percentage greater than the value put in K1, and that is why I'll have to make this formula absolute. So I'll press F4 so that it becomes absolute. Now K1 is constant and rest of the rows are variable. Okay, so if I drag downwards till the end of the list, so it now it gives the correct output. So wherever the students who have scored more than 45 are turned to true, otherwise false. So this condition I'll apply in conditional formatting along with the custom formula. So I'm going to copy this formula here, from here, control see, and I don't need this column. I don't need this. Now else, because I want to apply this on the names of these students on B column, so I'll select all those students and click on format, conditional formatting, and here from format rules I select custom formula is and paste the formula that I applied. Okay, so see here, colors of the cells are changed. So the common color is this, and that is why the students who are qualifying the conditions, this condition, are their cells are turned into different color. And if I do not want this, I want to change the color of the font, so I'm taking it white, and background color of the cell in blue. So see here and say done. So when you see here, these are the students who have scored more than 45. So if I change the percentage in K1, suppose 50, see here, automatically names are highlighted. And if I change this to say 60, then what happens is accordingly students are highlighted. So there are 2 students who have qualified the given condition. So this way we can see apply the custom formula using conditional formatting. But what if my percentage is not on this current sheet, but my percentage is on another sheet? Okay, for example, I delete this and select this column and deleting conditional formatting, and I'll put the condition or value on another sheet like this. This is the cell A1 in which I have put the condition, say 60. So when I want this to be applied in custom formula, so see here. So I'll apply equal J1 J2 greater than equals to, the condition is on another sheet, the sheet is this, so I'll click on this and press enter key. So see here, this gives me false. Again I'll have to make this a absolute address. So now this is absolute address, and if I drag down this formula, this gives me the correct output because I wanted to compare with the value. So here the value in sheet 2 is 60. Let me see whether it is giving me the correct output or not. So this is 1 and this is 2, so it is giving me the correct output. And the same condition I am going to copy in my custom formula. So I'm going to copy this, and I don't need this, so I am erasing this. I don't need this. Again selecting the list of names, going to format, then conditional formatting, and over here I'll select custom formula, and here I'll copy the formula like this, because the value, the percentage I am taking from another sheet. So here I am referring another sheet, So conditional formatting will not allow me to take the data from another reference sheet. Then I want this because it was working in the current sheet, but this time it is not working because this is from the reference sheet. Then how to do this? So very simple. I'll apply indirect function. The indirect function is a function which brings the formula or is string in the formula's native position or native shape. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to convert this reference into a string. As long as this rectangular box is red, it cannot apply custom formula. So we'll have to change a bit, or we'll have to correct the formula here. So I'm going to make this a string. Okay, and along with this I'm going to use the function indirect, which takes the data in its native form. Means sheet 2 is in a string form and indirect is converting into its native form, that is sheet 2 $A $1. So now this sheet is selected and I am going to apply and here going to change the color of the font, that is white, and changing the color of the background of the cell as custom. So when I say done, so it is not taking. Why? Because I have, yes, it is taking, correct. So these are the students, and if I change the value, say 40, let me see what happens. Yes, the function indirect is working. So indirect function plays a very important role in conditional format or custom formula, which brings the string into its native form or the formula's native form. So if I change the data there, for example, if I take data 10 change to 40 to 50, now see what happens in sheet 1. So sheet 1, the students who have scored more than 50% are highlighted. So here they are the students. So this way we learned how to apply the custom formula, and in addition how to use indirect function along with the conditional formatting. So hope you understood and grab the concept, and if you like the concept and like the demonstration, kindly apply in your day-to-day task while using the Google Sheets or the Excel. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.